Hey, what's up guys? Rasmus over here. So coming back at you with another video. Got something to eat today as well. This little burger joint called Suzie Q. Yeah, if you want to know, I haven't been training for the last couple of days. Got like the sniffles. Don't worry, it's not Rona. Nothing like that. Yeah, just been congested, that's it. Something that always happens to me. But yeah, I've gotten over it. Didn't want to go to the gym, just didn't want to make it look weird or anything like that to anybody. So but also like the gym has changed. Been a few issues with the gym, like they changed the rules. So my gym's a 24-hour gym plus 24 fitness. Work around the clock pretty much, and yeah, I'm not sure what's gonna happen because they said that you have to go to the gym while people are there. And like, to be honest, most of the time that like the staff, like, it's not really convenient for me. It's like starts at like 8:30 to like 12, and then they have like a 2-hour break, and then it's like 3 o'clock to like 7:30. Most of the time I'm gonna be at work at that time, so yeah. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna be going on break from work, so that's a plus. Anyway, check out this burger right here. It's nice. Suzie Jukes. Yeah, it's a little burger joint down in the southwest of Sydney. It got a chicken burger. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Chicken. Woo! It's like a chicken coleslaw and like some radish. It's a pretty decent size. Fried chicken burger. It looks good. It's got the buttermilk buns. That's the shiny buns that you see. Damn. Smells nice. So big. Take a bite. That's really good, man. That is good. Check out that burger. God damn. Yeah. Oh. But that's a lot of burger. Yeah, but with the gym situation, yeah, the reason why they changed the gym thing is that Melbourne had a spike in cases, and people have come up to Sydney, and yeah, I should already know by now. Staying safe. Wear your mask. Got my mask here. Yeah, it's a sad thing. Yeah, hopefully Sydney doesn't go into lockdown. Don't want any of that again. It's just gonna be, it's always a nightmare because people just start rushing the stores and all this other stuff. It's just a hassle. And a lot of the stores start closing down. Yeah, bad for business. It's bad for everybody pretty much. So, you know, just so hard for some people to listen to rules. Just wear a mask. That's all you gotta do. And yeah, keep clean. Guess it's taught us a lot. But in terms of training, I'll probably start going back to the gym soon. A couple more days. Probably also start doing a little bit more track work then. Probably earlier than what I anticipated. I'm up to week 3 on my program. I think I gotta make a separate video on that as well, just to run down like the ups and downs that I see the program, what are the pros and cons, all that kind of stuff. This is a good burger. Telling you, if you're in the Sydney area, gotta try these out. Suzie Q's buttermilk buns. It's the fried chicken burger. Damn, it's a really good burger. I've had one of the other burgers before. I think it was the Angus one. To be honest, I didn't think it was that good. It was pretty average for an Angus burger. But for a chicken burger, this is really good. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say about my training as well. Like there's a park down the road from me where I usually do some runs and everything like that. Thing is that they've set up like a whole test site there, because I'm like living in the hotspot, so fuck. A whole test site, which is annoying because you can't do anything. Pretty much got all these cars all around the place, just guiding people to get tested. Like a while ago, it was heaps busy, and like you'd get lines and lines of people, because that's when like the people from Melbourne came up to Sydney. They stopped by one of the hotels, and yeah, so it's crazy. Anyway, in terms of a burger, these guys do it really well. Suzie Q's. It's pretty good. A grilled chicken burger, well, a fried chicken burger. It was really good. Really, really good. Impressive. I was like, yeah, that's an impressive burger. Usually I'm not a big fan of chicken burgers. Sometimes they don't work out that well if they're like grilled or even fried even. Yeah, fried sometimes is like a hit or miss. It's like KFC fried chicken burger. Not the greatest, but you know, it's manageable, I guess. But just gonna wash it down with a Cascade lemon lime bitters. It's the non-alcohol thing. These are freaking amazing. Pretty much just full of sugar, that's why they're amazing. But I'm a big lemon lime bitters fan. Refreshing. So good. Lemon lime bitters. So good. Yeah, hopefully I can. Yeah, there's a lot of tracks around my area, so I'll I'll probably just end up going to one of the other ones. Well, yeah, run around there for a bit, then probably start going back to the track. I'll probably start going back to track next week, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna have some time off work, so it should be all right. Anyway, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.